guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zesty. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a healthy, delicious pumpkin loaf. Fall is just around the corner and we all know what that means. It's pumpkin season. This is a super healthy version of a pumpkin loaf or pumpkin bread. It is made with no refined sugar, so we're just using some maple syrup here and some monk fruit sweetener just to sweeten it up a little bit. For all of you who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me, and it just keeps motivating me to produce more content and more recipes for you guys. All right guys, without further ado, let's get to making some pumpkin loaf. The first thing I do is preheat my oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, you'll want to add 1 cup of flour, 1 1/4 of a cup of oat flour, which you can make yourself by blitzing whole oats in a food processor or blender. 4 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, which is a naturally derived sugar-free alternative. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 4 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Once you have all of your dry ingredients in there, give them a good mix with your spatula or whisk until they are all combined. When you're done, grab a separate, larger bowl for your wet ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of pumpkin, 2 eggs, or 2 flax eggs if you want to make this vegan, 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, 2/3 of a cup of milk of choice. I used almond milk, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil. Once your ingredients are in the bowl, you are going to want to mix them until they are fully incorporated. Next, we are going to be combining the wet and the dry ingredients together. I like adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in 3 parts. This way, I'm ensuring that I don't overmix the batter, which will prevent a tough loaf. So you really only want to mix this until it's combined. Once that's ready, you can grease your loaf pan with a little bit of coconut oil and add in your batter. This loaf needs at least 1 hour and 15 minutes to bake, so make sure you don't take it out before then because it does need all of that time to bake properly in there. Okay, so after 1 hour and 15 minutes, you can go ahead and take that out of the oven. Damn, that smells good. You're going to want to let this cool for a few minutes before you pop it out of the pan. You can also check to see if it's fully baked with a toothpick. And that's it. It's as easy as that, guys. I'm going to cut into this just so you can see that beautiful crumb inside. This loaf is perfect to enjoy on its own, but I particularly love it with blueberry jam. It is so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks again, and see you guys soon. Bye.